If you think you're bad at math, watch this. Most people mess this up, but it's actually insanely simple. This will change how you see numbers. This will change how you see numbers. You're not bad at math, you were just taught to memorize, not see it. Here's a problem most people get wrong. What's 49 times 51? Looks hard? Here's the trick. These numbers are one below and one above 50. 50 to 1, 50 plus 1. That's just a difference of squares. 50 to the power of 2 1 squared equals 2500 minus 1 equals 2499. You're not slow. You're not bad. You just never saw math like this. You've been learning it backwards. Follow if you want more math tricks that make you feel like a genius, not a failure. Part 2 coming? Make math make sense.